Okay, let's go over a couple of use cases in Hamachi. I get asked all the time for prompt ideas or for use cases. And so I'm going to share one that I really like. So you can see I'm in Hamachi right here. I use this attach files button to attach a tax return and a trust document into Hamachi. Really easy to do. You just click this button, attach files. You can attach PDFs, Excel. If you use Excel, use the CSV version of the file. But let me just give you a quick use case, which I love. So we're going to ask it here to review the Barrett family tax return and trust documents and give the top 7 planning issues ranked by urgency. And so in this case, Hamachi is reviewing these documents, going through some information. I've used Hamachi quite a bit, and so it already has kind of my preferences for communication in the system. Has a good feel for how I like outputs. I like stories. I like bullet points. I like the high level stuff. I love visuals, so I've asked it in the past to help me with tables, graphs, and charts, just for context for what this output looks like. You might have a different style. Just tell Hamachi what you want, how you want the output to look, and Hamachi will do an awesome job at delivering that. So you can see I didn't ask an amazing prompt, just, give me the top 7 planning issues by urgency. And Hamachi did a really awesome job of giving me these in the format I like, which are bullet points high level, story oriented in a table. I've asked it to do that for me in the About You section and in my preferences. And you can see that it's given me a little bit of a direction about what to do. It's shared with me some planning guides, supports, etc. I could then ask it and say, I want to meet with the family, create an email invite based on this information. And so now I'm giving Hamachi another task, help me write an email that I can copy, paste, and upload into my Outlook or to whatever tool I'm using. And you can see that it created this really nice one. I could even say shorten this and keep it friendly and high level. Again, that's just a preference for me, but showing you what we're doing, and Hamachi is able to quickly do that. Hopefully from here, you can think of a bunch of other use cases, other prompts that you can do. I've used it to build a trust map. I've used it for context of acting like a CPA and reconciling different tax forms. I can ask it to be an estate planning attorney. I can ask it to create a household meeting brief, etc. Give it a shot and let